Sony acquired an AI company. This was just announced by them, and this could be big even though the AI company themselves, they've only been around for about 4 years now, so in terms of companies, they're like babies, okay? They have not been around for a long time at all, but the new way that we see AI has also not been around for a very long time, so it is what it is. And what they are saying that they are going to do with this company, how they're going to put them to work is, you know, a little vague, sure, but I think it has some potential here to really be a very big game changer. This AI company is focused on visuals, really, just the presentation of pictures and turning pictures into kind of 3D environments that you can go into. It's pretty interesting. So the name of this company is Cinemersive Labs. We go onto their website. I couldn't really find like an About Us section, but they just show a bunch of examples. You can go onto the website. I have it linked in the description, but yeah, they just show a bunch of examples. Like this is a picture of a cow. I probably didn't need to tell you that, but yeah, the cow, it's just a single picture, but with their AI technology, they're able to kind of move it around, kind of make it a 3D environment. We see stuff like this with different AI and maybe memes that you've seen overall, but this kind of makes it more crisp, more clear, and it's definitely professional. And yes, this came about 5 days ago from Sony themselves. This is not a rumor. So this is Sony Interactive Entertainment. It is on their website, and I have this linked in the description. It says that they have acquired Cinemersive Labs. It says, with deep expertise in computer vision and machine learning, Cinemersive Labs will contribute to Sony Interactive Entertainment's efforts to enhance gameplay. And this is all they write about it. They don't really go into detail, but we can learn a lot just from what they have. So they say, at Sony Interactive Entertainment, which is the company behind the PlayStation brand, we are continually exploring new ways to push the boundaries of visual computing and deliver richer, more immersive gameplay experiences. Today, we are pleased to announce that Sony Interactive Entertainment has entered into an agreement to acquire Cinemersive Labs, which is a UK-based machine learning and computer vision company which was founded in 2022. Cinemersive Labs brings together a specialized team with deep expertise in computer vision and machine learning, and following the acquisition, so here's where they say what they're going to do with them, the Cinemersive Labs team will join Sony Interactive Entertainment's visual computing group and contribute to our broader efforts in advancing state-of-the-art visual computing within games. This includes applying machine learning to enhance gameplay visuals, improve rendering techniques, and unlock new levels of visual fidelity for players. So while that is definitely quite a bit vague, they're not, you know, naming different specific games already, like that they're going to be working on, you know, oh yeah, they're going to be in the new Astrobot, or, you know, oh, they're already tweaking the new God of War, you know, something like that. We don't really know. It just says they're going to contribute to the broader efforts to really make their visuals really state of the art. Obviously, with the company's expertise in using AI to make single photos just a 3D reality, I can only imagine what Sony is really trying to push them to do. Very interesting. We might see even more stuff like this going forward. Companies like Sony and as big as Sony acquiring smaller, more startup AI companies because they do have potential.